Hi, my name is Brittainy Klemme, and I'm a career development specialist here at the University Career Center. Did you know that the University Career Center can help you become more comfortable with salary negotiation? Here are some following tips that can help you become more comfortable when going into a salary negotiation. The first thing to consider is that you need to be strategic with your timing. Remember that you are building a professional relationship with this future employer, so use emotional intelligence when going into a salary negotiation. 2, never throw out the first number. Always allow them to provide that number or come with research-based and a budgeted range allotted for that job description. Number 3, going back, do your research. Research the things like the price of living, the average salary for that position, and use the NACE salary calculator. That is a resource that we utilize at the University Career Center to help you better prepare. Also, consider all the things that you can negotiate. It's more than just the numbers. Consider all of the things that are included in the compensation package that can be negotiable upon the offer, and look at the big picture. You can schedule an appointment for salary negotiation through Raider Success Hub or by calling the University Career Center today.